The AMDX and XAMD indicators are specifically designed for the ICT style and are available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and to MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator on the chart by dragging the file onto it. Just make sure that in the Common section, the option for Allow DLL Imports is activated, and then click the OK button. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it helps identify and draw the four main market conditions: accumulation, which is displayed in red, manipulation, shown in green, distribution, represented in blue, and finally, continuation, which is marked in yellow. ICT traders can easily identify the price movement status using this indicator and have more specialized analyses on the chart. In default mode, the indicator selects AMDX status, and the first range it identifies is the accumulation range, which is marked in red. After the price enters the accumulation phase, the high and low of the range are identified, and once the range is completed, the corresponding accumulation box is displayed. The price is entered in this section after entering the manipulation range, which is a price manipulation range. But with a price correction, the next phase, namely distribution, occurs, which is identified as the explanation phase 1. The price in the distribution phase limits the price movement, accumulates negative liquidity in this part, and after the distribution box is completed, it is identified and drawn, and finally it enters the continuation phase, after which we see the price moving upwards in a sharp pattern. The continuation phase is considered a continuation and retracement phase, and here it is showing the continuation phase where we see the price moving sharply and upward. And until this phase is completed, it will again enter its initial phase, which is accumulation. In the settings section, in the input section, there are only two options available. In the first part, you can select DIO, the session type based on AMDX or XAMD, to define the status. In the next section, you can specify the number of days for identifying AMDX, or XAMD, which is set to 5 days by default, but you can increase or decrease this amount. I set the session type to XAMD and the number of days to 10. In the XAMD mode, the phase starts based on continuation, where we see that the price has had a retracement here, and then it enters the accumulation phase. And finally, after completing the accumulation phase, it enters the manipulation phase, where it accumulates the take-home point, and then enters the distribution or price explanation phase. Using these four situations, traders can effectively identify price movements, examine ranges, and they can choose their own type of position. These four ranges are determined based on specific time frames, and after the time frame is completed, it moves into the next phase and displays that phase. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would love for you to share your comments, and suggestions with us in the comments section.